Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I'd like to welcome you here today. Today I have a little quick unboxing. It's not a very large unboxing, but it has some really fun goodies in it and I know that you will definitely want to see them. So let's go ahead and open this up. Like I said, it's not a huge little unboxing, but has some really fun things inside. So let me move this out of the way. Lots of bubbling. And let me get out these fun goodies. And my kitty cats will love the box. Something about cats and boxes, I don't know. All right, so here we are. Guess what? It's still SaleABration time. And if you're not aware what SaleABration is, we actually have two brochures. This one is the one that's current, and all of these items in this little catalog are absolutely free. That's right, free. They are free with a $50 purchase from either our annual catalog or our occasions catalog. Something fun that's coming starting on February 16th through March 31st. Not only are there these items for free, we have additional items that will become available beginning on February 16th. So let's take a look at this catalog. Well, it's not really a catalog, it's kind of more a folder. We will take a look at those, but rather than looking at them there, let's take a look at them here. So this is what was in my unboxing. So this blooming basket has a coordinated basket weave dynamic embossing folder. And the great thing with SaleABration is when they are red rubber like this, you may choose clear mounts, which basically only means you need to have a clear acrylic block to put them on and off, or you can choose wood mount, and it's all the same price, free. This is a bundle, however, these two items together with a $100 purchase. So there's a few other items in the current catalog as of today, which today is February 13th. This is one stamp set that you can get free with $100 purchase. And we also have the Celebrate You Thinlet dies, which is free with a $100 purchase. But it also, these dies and this stamp set, this is free with a $50 purchase. These work so well together. You're going to definitely want them all. So this little basket bundle, let's take a look here. It's the Blooming Basket Bundle. You get the stamp set and you get the basket weave textured impressions embossing folder. So with a $100 purchase, you can get two of these items. With a $50 purchase, they have an additional Electric Expressions stamp set, which is really fun, and Springtime Foils Specialty Designer Series paper, and that is a mouthful to say, but these papers are free with the $50 purchase. Now this flyer is only during February 16th, which is next week, according to the time I'm taping this, through March 31st. So let's take a look at this embossing folder, and then we're going to take a closer look at those foiled papers because I just cannot wait. And my fingers are not cooperating with opening this, so I apologize for that. So look at the fun basket weave that you can get. Now this is one of those extra thick embossing folders, and which means you're going to get a very, very nice deep impression with this. So can you see how fun that folder is? Now I'm just thinking Easter's coming, baskets for Easter. This is going to be fabulous to use with that. And these are limited time items. Okay, you could only get these during celebration. So I love the sayings with this. You are loved. Here's a little tag with hearts, a little butterfly, here for you, and of course this beautiful basket, which I'm also thinking Mother's Day with that. So the basket is fairly large, and here's the best thing with Stampin' Up! Stamps. If you're not familiar with our stamps, there's no cutting. And look at this little inside piece. This comes out. Now, if you're, you know, a little stickler, you can always go ahead in there and you can go ahead and trim these stamps, you know, to get a little closer image if you wish. But you could even use this. I'm thinking like this looks like a top of a cracked egg. I mean, that's just an extra stamp there for you. So that is one of the new bundles, and I know you're going to definitely want to get your hands on that as soon as that becomes available. So let's take a look at this paper. Now again, this is the Springtime Foils Specialty Designer Series paper. And there are 12 sheets in here. And these sheets are 12 by 12. Boy, I'm just having a rough time with this. My hands are cold today. Started getting a little bit more chilly here back again. We had a little bit of a warm up, and here in Pennsylvania, I want to think of the 40s, low 40s, high 30s as a warm up. So look at this paper. This is thick, very thick paper. It's not just thin sheet of paper. And look at those copper dots on there. Isn't that stunning? So you are going to get 3 of each sheet. And I feel a sneeze coming. So just in case. Achoo! I'm so sorry. Can't help that. And here's another sheet. Now look at this. I can't wait to add some color to this to make it even more stunning. Look at that silver and gold. Do you not love this? And this paper is free. I know I'm definitely going to be stocking up on this, and I'm definitely going to be ordering more as soon as I can. One of the great things, though, you're wondering, well, how did you get that already? It's not February 16th. Well, one of the advantages of being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator is that we have the opportunity to purchase these items before they become available, because we want to have samples made for you guys when they do become available. So another reason to join the wonderful company of Stampin' Up! Is for the pre-orders. And these silver stripes, stunning. Love those. And then look at this. This is probably my most favorite sheet of all. And there's 3 of these as well. Look at these flowers. Aren't they just stunning? They have a copper and gold in them. And I'm just thinking my Stampin' Blends with these. And they have like a raised image. So the actual flower is debossed into the designer series paper. So these are going to be stunning, and I know you're going to want to get these. And just keep in mind, these items are while supplies last. I know Stampin' Up! Always has a huge abundance of them, but just so you know, when they're gone, and you won't be able to get them. So you're definitely going to want to stock up. So these 2 items you can get with a $100 purchase. These sheets you can get with a $50 purchase. And both these catalogs can be viewed online. So if you don't have them, I do have these available to send out. I won't have these, however, because it's just such a limited time. By the time I get them and I try to get them out to you, I mean, time's going to be over. So you can view this online. Again, beginning on February 16th through March 31st. So these are the fun added additional SaleABration items, and I know you're going to want to get them. So thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber to my channel, and be sure to hit that little bell. Then you will receive notification when I upload new videos. And be sure to share this with other friends. Check me out at blogspot.com. It's Stampin' Sue Creates, and of course you're here on YouTube viewing this. And I also have a Facebook channel at Stampin' Sue Creates. So my online store, if you're interested in making any purchases, is stampandsuecreates.stampinup.net. And if you need to get in contact with me, I make it easy for you. stampandsuecreates@gmail.com. So thanks so much again, everyone. Have a super Stampin' night, and I hope to see you all back here again real soon. Bye for now.